Good morning, girls. Hope you are following the topic, children. Regarding the cube and cuboids, have you learned the formulas, children? Please make an effort in learning the formulas, girls. If you learn the formulas, you can do the chapter. It will be easy for you all when you learn the formulas, girls. Now, in today's class, we are going to continue exercise 13.5. Coming to fifth sum. The capacity of the cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters of water. Find the breadth of the tank if the length, depth are given. What are you given for the tank, children? The length and the depth, along with its capacity, and you are asked to find out the breadth. Fifth sum, children. For the tank. For the tank, what are you given? Length, how much? 2.5 meters. Height is how much? 10 meters. And the breadth is equal to b meters. And its capacity, how much is the capacity, children? 50,000 liters. Your capacity is in liters, children, and the dimensions are in meters. Convert the liters to cubic meters. 1000 liters is equal to 50,000 liters. 50,000 liters is equal to how much? 50,000 divided by 1000, that is equal to 50 liters. To convert liters to cubic meters, children, divide it by 1000. This capacity is given in liters, therefore volume is equal to 50 meters cube, and therefore length into breadth into height is equal to L is how much? Breadth you do not know. Height is how much? 10. Therefore breadth is equal to 50 divided by 2.5 into 10. 2.5 into 10 is 25. Therefore the breadth is equal to 2 meters. Hope you have followed, children. You are given the length, the height, capacity. Whenever capacity is given, convert to volume. 1000 liters is equal to 1 meter cube. 50,000 liters is equal to how many cubic meters cube? Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Therefore, breadth is equal to 2 meters. Sixth sum. A village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. And the tank measurements are 20 meters by 15 by 6. For how many days will the water in the tank last? What is the village population, girls? 4,000. One person uses how much water per day? 150 liters. So 4,000 people will use how much water? 4,000 into 150. Yes, water required for one person for 1 day. For 1 day, how much, children? 150 liters. Therefore, water required, how many people are there in the village? 4,000 people. So, one person requires 150 liters means 4,000 people require how much water, girls? 1, 2, 3, 4. And what are the tank capacities, girls? Tank measurements. For the tank, what are you given? For the tank, length is how much? Length is 20 meters, breadth is 15 meters, height is 6 meters. Volume of water, volume of water in the tank. Volume of the water in the tank is equal to LBH cubic units, children. That is 20 into 15 into 6 meters cube. You need not multiply. Why? Because it involves a division. Number of days. You know your tank capacity. You know how much water is required for 4,000 people and how many days the village people are going to use the water stored in the tank. Number of days, the number of days the water in the tank lasts. Number of days the water in the tank lasts for how much? Since you know the capacity, yes, 20 into 50 into 15 into 6 meters cube divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you observing, children? The capacity, the volume of the water in the tank is in cubic meters. So 1 meter cube is how much, children? 1000 liters. 20 into 5 into 6 into 1000 liters divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cancel your zeros, children. Here how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 15 goes how many times? 4 times. 2 goes how many times? 2 times. 2 divides how many times? 3 times. So you can use for 3 days the water that is stored in the tank. Each person requires 150 liters. In the village, there are 4,000 people, children. So 4,000 people consume how much water each day? Water required for 4,000 people for 1 day. 4,000 into 150, that is 6 followed by 6 lakh liters is required for 1 day. Tank dimensions are given. The volume of the water in the tank is LBH. 20 into 15 into 6. Number of days the water in the tank lasts. That is volume of the tank divided by water consumed by 4,000 people in 1 day. Since the tank is in cubic meters, children, convert to liters. 1 cubic meter is 1000 liters. Cancellation 3 days. Yes, 7th sum. A go down measures 40 meters by 25 meters by 10 meters. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 by 1.2 meters by 0.5 meters, which are stored in the go down. Given the dimensions of the go down and what is kept in the go down, children, wooden crates. You are given the measurements of the wooden crates also. Easily you can follow. When 3 dimensions are given, length, breadth and height, it is understood it is a cuboid. So, the go down is a cuboid. The wooden crate is also a cuboid. Yes, go down measurements. Go down dimensions is what? L is equal to 40 meters. B is equal to, go down dimensions is 40 meters by how much? 25 meters by how much? 10 meters. Volume of go down. Volume of go down. I told you now, when 3 measurements are given, it is what? A cuboid. LBH cubic units. 40 into 25 into 10 meters cube. You need not multiply. Why? Because you are going to cancel. Yes, wooden crate dimensions. Wooden crate dimensions. What is the wooden crate dimensions, children? 1.5 meters by 1.25 meters by 0.5 meters. Volume of wooden crate. Volume of one wooden crate is equal to LBH cubic units. 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5 meters cube. The crates are stored in the godown. That you should follow. The crates are stored in the godown. So number of wooden crates stored is equal to volume of godown divided by volume of one wooden crate. Yes, godown volume is more than crate volume. 40 into 25 into 10 meters cube divided by 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. Both are in the same unit, children. There is no need of conversion. But count the number of digits after the point, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Go for cancellation, girls. Yes, 25 goes how many times? 5 times. 5 goes how many times? 2 times. Yes, 5 goes how many times? 2000 times. Yes. Next, 5 goes how many times? 8 times. 3 times. 8 twos are 16. 40 into 25 into 15 divided by 15 into, yes, 16, no more to cancel, 32, 40 into 25 into how much? The wooden crate. Five goes 2 times, 25 goes 5 times, 5 goes 2000 times, 5 goes 3 times, 5 goes how many times? 400 times, 4 twos are 8, 8 fours are 32, followed by how many zeros? 4 twos are 8, 8 fours are 32, 1, 2, 3.
It is 15 meters.
One 106.6, that is 10,666 nearly. We take the whole number, children. 40 into 25 into 10 divided by the volume of one wooden crate. In the denominator, how many digits after the point? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have multiplied by 10,000. 25 divides 5 times, 5 divides 2 times. Okay? 5 divides 2 times. 5 divides how many times? Yes. Next sum. Coming to the 8th question. Question number 8. A solid cube of side 12 centimeters is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. One big cube of side 12 centimeters is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What is the side of the new cube and the ratio of the surface areas? What are you given, children? The side of a cube. What is the side of a cube? How much? This cube of side 12 centimeters is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. You know, according to the law of conservation of mass, matter can neither be created nor destroyed. The total mass of the reactants is equal to the total mass of the products. So, the volume of the first cube is equal to the volume of the 8 small cubes. According to the law of conservation of mass, children, matter can neither be created nor destroyed. The total mass of the reactants is equal to the total mass of the products. So the volume of one big cube is equal to the volume of 8 small cubes. Therefore, volume of cube is equal to S cube, that is equal to 12 into 12 centimeters cube. Side of new cube. How much, children? You do not know. So take it as 8 units. Side volume of new cube is equal to how much, girls? S cube, that is equal to A cube cubic units. And how many cubes are there? Volume of 8 new cubes is equal to 8 A cube cubic units. This is V1. This is V2. Just now I told, by the law of conservation of mass, the volume mass of the reactants is equal to the mass of the products. 12 cube, 12 into 12 into 12 is equal to 8A cube. A cube is equal to 12 into 12 by 8. I think you can go for cancellation, girls. 4 2s, 4 3s. Yes? 2 goes how many times? 6 times. 3 6 are 18. 18 12s are 216. If A cube is 216, A is equal to what, children? Cube root of 216. 216 is the cube of 6. Therefore, the edge of the new cube is how much? Followed. Side of the cube is given. The volume of the cube is S cube. This cube is converted into 8 new cubes. Side of the new cube is A. The volume of the new cube is A cube. Volume of 8 new cubes is equal to 8 A cube cubic units. By the law of conservation of mass, the total mass of the reactants is equal to the total mass of the products. So volumes are equal. Equate, find out A cube. If you know A cube, you can find out A, which is equal to 6 centimeters. The question is not over, children. Find the ratio of surface areas. Ratio of surface areas. The ratio of surface areas is taken as S1 and S2. Yes, children. Total surface areas. What is the side of the first cube, children? 12. The formula is 6S square. And the edge of the second one is how much? 6. You need not multiply, girls. Why? Because this is a ratio, children. You can just put the step and go for cancellation. 6 and 6 will get cancelled once, twice, once, twice. The ratio is 4:1. The ratio of surface areas S1 is to S2. The side of the first one is 12. So 6 into 12 into 12. The side of the second cube is 6. So 6 into 6 into 6. Both sides you cancel 6. Next step, 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 2 twos are 4. The required ratio is 4:1. The last sum, children. Yes, a river 3 meters deep and 40 meters wide is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometers per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? A river 3 meters deep, 40 meters wide is flowing into the water, is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometers per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? All of you know the concept, children. The water from the rivers will flow where? Finally into the sea. You have the Krishna canal. The water in the Krishna river finally is flowing where? Over flooded water. It is going into the sea. What is the rate of flow? Yes, the rate of flow. What is the rate of flow of water, children? The rate of flow of water is how much? 2 kilometers per hour. Per hour means 1 hour. How much water is flowing in 1 hour? Length of water flowing in 1 hour is equal to 2000 meters. Why? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 2 kilometers means what, children? 2 into 1000, that is equal to 2000 meters. Yes, what is the depth of the river? The depth of the river is how much? Depth means height is 3 meters, and the width of the river is how much? The width of the river is 40 meters. Yes, how much water will fall into the sea in a minute? Volume of water flowing in 1 hour. Volume of water flowing in 1 hour into the sea. From the river, the water finally flows into the sea, children. LBH, cubic units. Yes, 2000 into 3 into 40 meters cube. The question is, how much water is flowing into the sea in 1 minute? Volume of water flowing in 1 minute. Volume of water flowing in 1 minute. 1 hour means how much? This is 1 hour, children. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 hour means how much, children? 60 minutes. 2000 into 3 into 40 meters cube divided by 60. Go for cancellation, girls. 3 goes how many times? 2 times. 2 goes how many times? 100 times. 4 followed by, count your zeros. 1, 2, 3. Yes. This is the water flowing in 1 minute time. The rate of flow of water is 2 kilometers per hour. How much water is flowing in 1 hour time, children? 1 kilometer is 1000 kilometers. 2 kilometers is 2000 meters. So much water is flowing in 1 hour time. You are given the depth of the river. Depth of the river is nothing but the height and the width of the river, 40 meters wide. Volume of water flowing in 1 hour into the sea is length into breadth into height. And how much water is flowing in 1 minute? hours to minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So divide by 60. This is cubic meters. If you want to convert to liters, you're not asked capacity, you're asked how much water. Volume will always be in cubic meters. I think you have followed today's class, children. All of you do this as homework, children. Exercise 13.5, 5 to 9. This is the homework. All of you must do the assigned project, children. What project work we are giving, everybody please do. Be it any subject, English, maths, science, history, everybody should do. Why? Because your marks will be sent to the board, children. This is the board project assigned throughout the country, not only for Atkinson girls. It is for the whole nation. So everybody should try and finish the project by September 20th, children. And your parents must please come and hand over the project to the concerned teachers or in the office. Am I clear? All of you do the homework.